This is Scribe weekend, Memorial Day weekend, and we are going to go out for a little ride in the pouring down rain. The wife is staying here, Chad's staying here, Nate's going with the Renegade, Cindy's staying here. I am going to take the big Defender out, give her a whirl.
He's going to take the Defender because he's an old man now. He's a grandfather.
I got some passengers that are going to go. But anyways, we're at Scribe. Nate, how you doing, buddies? Good to see you. It's been a while.
Woo! We're gonna go break some shit. Mike's gonna fix it.
Renegade's going out tomorrow, Sunday, but not today.
Little does he know.
This is just a leisurely ride. Justin and Dina are here. They're not?
They're not, because we got a
Oh, they
colt.
are, yeah.
We got a colt, maybe. Do you want them to try this colt? Christine has an H&H. She's coming. Okay.
Okay. All right, Christine's got a coat. So we all got coats.
I'm gonna tell the wife.
All right, we're heading out in a minute, folks. We'll see you out on the trail. Later. Oh. I got some cargo here that's going on the ride. Some responsible people with me, finally. A couple Renegades. We got some Fireball going on next door. We're gonna go try some Fireball. He's got his Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome shit right there.
That's right.
I won't be able to put that on YouTube. This is the dumbest thing I've done in a long time.
Yeah, you think? I miss my side by side. Yeah. It would be dry in there right now. Oh, alright.
Holy shit.
Are we leading the pack?
No, there's a couple up ahead of us.
Oh, okay. Are you sure that is water
What the hell is
resistant?
this deal? This is all
Yeah,
new.
it is. Oh!
Hang on, folks. Well, what the hell?
What's up? You got some nice stairs. Oh. Oh, I don't like that. The one probably broke.
Yeehaw! That ain't filming very good. It's pointing up the ceiling. There,
Nice.
smile. Say camera.
Conrad, why is it pointed on us?
'Cause I'm trying to get some reaction of your faces as you're getting wet.
It's not very great. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be really honest. This kind of sucks. And I'm definitely gonna have mascara running down my face.
Ah, perfect. You put makeup on to go right in the mud?
Yeah. Men. We want to look like raccoons. Maybe she'll hold them. Maybe.
Well, if we do this ride next year, ladies, I'll have a windshield.
Yay!
Holy shit!
It's a little bumpy.
Oh, look, there they are.
I remember this
That
hill.
camera sucks.
Yeah, it kind of does. I tried.
Yeah, this one.
Yay!
I'm assuming so. Timmy got all the
I'm good with it.
I'm not strapping that to my head.
All right, here we are.
moist.
We are out riding in the rain because we know nothing better to do. Oh, so we came out here and got drenched just for that? It's a good idea.
And then we're going back to camp. Thank you, Rich.
To let all our wet stuff.
Be a bitch. This is why you drive a Talon?
No, I'm just asking, you know, what's the game plan?
Oh yeah, we're gonna meet Jesse. Then
because
go to
we follow you, you go into the
Oh, so we're
woods and the
getting wet?
trees and have.
Oh, he's
come
coming this way with his Defender?
Yeah.
Oh, good thinking. How is it in there with a windshield?
I can't see shit through it.
I can't see without it because of the little eyeballs of the rain.
There's so much water and stuff that gets going on it, and he gets his windshield wiper going, flings it all on my side. I can't
It
see.
smears it. Great. That looks deep this year.
Honestly, it looked shallow earlier. But there's a lot more water. I bet you 2 inches more water on the trail.
It's a lot deeper than
It's
normal.
filling in.
I was at the ass. I didn't even know Brian was here.
Jobs, what are you doing?
Nothing.
You staying dry in there?
I'm trying.
Well, it don't work good out here, that's for sure. My little eyeballs there, I need a windshield. They're taking a beating.
That's why I have a mountains.
Yeah. Smart jumping in the side by side.
Yeah, that's why I'm kind of.
I have no beer in mine.
She was thinking.
I was thinking ahead. Oh, my wheeler's getting clean right in camp. Jobs?
Hey, how's the ride so far?
What are you doing?
All right, so we got the Maverick Sport XMR.
They don't work.
We got a Turbo RR Maverick, Renegade, another Turbo Maverick, Renegade.
Getting our treatment of
Is this on a turbo too? Turbo? Turbo?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Turbo.
We got the Honda Talon, 4-seater, 1000. Nice and dry under there by the motor. It's a beautiful day for a ride. I hear an X3. Look out! Damn turbo! That was a damn turbo that just went by. Jesus! There's a Renegade. These guys are nuts. Uh-oh, he gonna gun it. Stand back! They're freaking crazy! Boys are over in the mud! Timmy, you're supposed to put them in your hair.
Well, I lost control and hit the hedgerow. It's a little greasy.
This battery's almost dead, and I really don't want to
Here,
dig
you want to
for
go
one.
fucking hit it one time?
No!
Come on, you want to feel the waves
I'm
coming
fucking,
in?
I've got my...
It'll be cool on that.
No. No.
It's literally like a wave.
Oh, I know, I watched ya.
Hey, I think it's letting up, Rich.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad it's letting up.
Is this beer stuff or no?
Does it matter now? Let's have a beer.
Good, I'm soaked.
You traitors! You traitors! You were right with me! You failed out! You got soaked. I just got soaked. They just hit the friggin' mud hole next to me. Greg! You what? I would say... Well, Chook, you do, hey, actually, you do look kind of dry. But you look way warmer than you did on the start run.
Yeah.
Way warmer. Now, oh, there goes the first drop down the center of my chest.
If I can breathe, right.
It can breathe. Hey, don't...
Justin, you go to the right.
No, we're going right through the middle. I've been here before, Jigs.
Just remember. What? If you get stuck, you got shorts on.
If I get stuck, I will use more throttle.
There is leeches in here like you couldn't fucking believe.
I like leeches.
If you make it, make sure you come back through it. He's almost to the deep spot. It is freaking raining. It is raining hard. It is wet. It's cold. No, it's not cold. Take that back. It's not cold. It's the only good thing about it. Timmy, I think you can push him forward. Oh, he's going backwards now. It is raining hard. It is raining cats and dogs, folks. This must be lake effect rain off Lake Ontario. I don't know if you people can see this, but this is funny. Oh, he's got help! He's got help! Oh, here comes Mikey! You want the ball? Hey, nice ball! This is day one! Yeah! This is only day one! Uh-oh. Going right to the deep side. Ain't even munching around. Going right to the deep side. Hey! The longer we're out here, the harder it rains. Should have brought my umbrella. I'm an umbrella guy. I drank so much stuff. How you doing in there? Why do the back? No, fucking that's bad. That wind cable. Who the hell's idea was this? Somebody's got to get. It is an absolute fucking monsoon right now. Absolute downpour, people. We're not shitting you. Trying to pull my pants up. My foot's like right there. Oh, what are you doing? You need your wind. I got a wind. Straight down the middle. Straight down the middle. That's way down low. It's not like. I guess I got Mikey's went. I mean, really, could it rain any fucking harder? You kidding me? Holy fuck! Oh my god! Fucking pour it! Hey! Hold on, I got right down. There! That's better. He ain't even got any waders on. I'm above at your point, and I got fucking rain pants on. Yeah, get on there. Get right on the back. Get on the back. Hey, we're only at 147 degrees temp. We're good. Well, we shouldn't overheat in there. Your fan, hey, your fan's sucking water through. Oh, that's nice. Oh, okay, well, you know what? I ain't getting out of it. Oh, look at that go. Oh, you do have legs. That's wet? Actually, not too bad. It's probably warmer in there than it is out here. I think that's crazy. Oh, you got oh, them two. Them two. It's dry. Holy oh, fuck you, it's heat here. There's no heat in there. Hey, did you finally find the rag you were looking for?
I did. I'm nice and warm.
Alright, folks, how many others could say they got bring the kayak with them?
They come back with a hell of a lot worse than that.
Oh, he's got the same tires.
Big well tomorrow.
Hey, you guys got the fucking Defender the rest of the day. I'm in here.
You're funny.
What? What are you talking about?
Funny.
No, you guys are in the Defender. You started in the Defender, you're going to end in the Defender.
Because somebody didn't babysit and they
That's
went to
right.
the tail end.
Yeah.
And then from the tail end they went to a heated defender.
Yes.
It's like off-road car.
Full. It is full.
I said, Greg, you're wet and you're touching me. I said, Greg, where am